This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, April the 7th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have pretty much a quick moving floor across the country. We have some energy moving across the Great Lakes up into Canada and some moving into the Pacific Northwest. But our attention will be to our south and west with the storm system beginning to develop over the plains. We have some showers and maybe a few thunderstorms across the plains and across the Great Lakes with the cold front sagging southward into the middle Mississippi River Valley. It'll be that front that on Monday will be traveling back northward, could bring some rain Sunday night into Monday morning at least, but by Monday midday here, it'll be off to our east and we'll have a second break ahead of the storm over the Four Corners region, which by Tuesday midday will be coming into the Plain States with some energy, very strong energy at that, coming into Kansas and Oklahoma and Texas. And that'll be where most likely the severe weather will be on Tuesday with a low pressure center west of Wichita. Some rain and storms around here, not likely severe, and some snow, possibly heavy, back in South Dakota, western Nebraska into Colorado, and that's something we have to watch as well. By midnight, or a little about 1 a.m. Wednesday, the low, according to the GFS, moves into northern Missouri. Some showers and thunderstorms. Severe weather, not likely. Snow still over the back on the west side. And by 1 p.m. on Wednesday, the low pressure center, according to the GFS, will be near the Quad Cities with some showers and thunderstorms extending from about Evansville to Paducah to Little Rock, Arkansas to about Bryan College Station, Texas, and then that squall line sweeps east here by Thursday afternoon to about Toledo, Ohio to Cincinnati to Nashville, Huntsville to about Biloxi, Mississippi or so, with a little bit of flurry activity around here that quickly departs Friday, and skies turn sunny, or mostly sunny, with highs back into the 40s to lower 50s and lows in the 20s to lower 30s, many degrees below seasonal norms. But as we head into next weekend, the rain returns as the warm southerly winds also come back. Temperatures back into the 50s to lower 60s. But unfortunately, it begins to rain again with some rain on Saturday and here into Sunday with a low pressure center moving across the Great Lakes and a cold front stretching down into northern Missouri at that point with more rain waiting in the offing into the week after. Heading into Voodoo here on the 18th or so, we have the frontal system moving to our east with a cold front along that east coast down into the south with some showers and thunderstorms and temperatures cooling off here behind the front. And at the end of the forecast, here on the 22nd or so, we have a trough over the west and a trough over the New England states, a ridge in the middle, and a ridge over the eastern Pacific, and that'll bring a storm system in that could brings us some rain maybe by the 23rd or so, with a low pressure center beginning to form over the Texas Panhandle. The satellite image from last evening had one system moving off into the Great Lakes with some showers and a few thunderstorms along it. We had a storm system off to our west with some cloudiness and a little bit of shower activity and a few thunderstorms earlier on Saturday. The rest of the nation was fairly quiet, as you can see by the watch warning map. We had some freezing rain advisories in North Dakota and northeastern Montana with a few winter storm watches in Colorado and up into Montana and some high wind watches and warnings and advisories over the southwest to the west. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts around here are going to be plentiful, between maybe an inch to the north to upwards of 2 to 3 inches over the south, and that'll be beneficial.